Need to send money to a friend and want it to arrive in minutes? If you're with Bank of America, you already have Zelle built right in. Today, I'm showing you how to set up Zelle in the BoA app, fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The best part, you don't need to download a separate app. It's fully integrated into your online and mobile banking, making it incredibly secure and convenient. First, log into your Bank of America mobile app. From the main menu, navigate to Transfers, and then select Send Money with Zelle. The app will then guide you through the setup. You'll need to link a US mobile number or email address to your account. This is the identifier people will use to send you money. You'll then verify that contact info with a one-time code. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Double-check the email or phone number you enroll, and double-check it when you send. Once you send money to an enrolled contact, it can't be cancelled. Sending to the wrong person by accident is a common and costly mistake. And that's it. In less than a minute, you're ready to send and receive money with ease. What do you use Zelle for most? Splitting rent, paying back a friend for coffee? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.